everyone, so I'm going to open gifts now. So first I'm going to start off with my gifts. Wait a minute! From Lay to Lay. Wow! Look! It's a box. I consider myself putting it in a box as well, so it can be fun. I put it in a box as well. Aww. There's like...
You're happy with your own gift?
Open up!
Surprise ka. Surprise ka, matagal mo open.
There.
Oh my God! It's so nice! Wow.
There's something in here, Papa. I'm gonna open it. Next.
Okay. Supposed to be it's only 8 lang baga.
Yep, but I added it. It's my own. So these have no names, so I don't know who's this from, but I'm just gonna open it. Oh my God! Hold on, Mommy wants me to Happy? Okay, next one.
Dapat kasi kapag nag-ano ka,
This one's
Pinupunit mo.
hard.
ano kaya yan? Chocolate? It's a
A
prom.
tube?
Toothpaste, toothbrush na naman. Again.
No. Don't be so weird. Slip.
Make it faster.
Oh my God! Oh yeah!
Ano
It's
yan?
new pens.
My pony?
My Little Pony.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna check.
Go!
Okay. I want to know what's this one. Chocolate. I think this is gonna be chocolate. It's a Mickey Mouse coloring book. Hold on. And another one. This is for boys. But I like the Mickey Mouse one. Okay. This one, I'm sure this is a chocolate. It's so pink. Wow.
It's a prank. It's arroz caldo.
What's this? Stamps! I've been one. Who's this?
Ha?
No. I want to say thank you because I don't know who this from.
Ano yan?
It's a Mickey Mouse stamp.
Okay, go on. No,
Okay.
this one.
Okay. Chocolate, definitely chocolate. I am positive. Yes! I can play chess now. Is it chess or checkers?
Okay,
I
next.
really want to. This one. What is this?
Mga walang ano, pwede sa'yo.
Wait.
Yung mga halong ano.
What?
It's a real.
But at least I have another food. Plus Mommy's chips.
Next.
Okay.
That's the last one, or 7.
So hard. Okay, I have 3 foods now.
Next.
This one, I know it's from Fitted Plaza. So, I'm gonna open up his gift.
Hindi ganyan. Yeah.
No! This is my second thing from BTS. Yeah,
A few moments later.
Okay, can we get the scissors now? Wait a minute. Okay, can we get the scissors now? I'm frustrated. I want to open this.
What's that? It's a bag. Okay. It's a bag.
It's a BTS bag.
BTS bag. Okay. How many bags now that you have?
1 million?
1 million. Hindi ka na-accurate, sabi ko kung ilan na yung bag mo na. Hindi 1 million lalagay mo
It's
dyan.
big.
O edi, ano natin, pamigay natin.
So that's all everyone for today. And if you like this birthday vlog again, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and TikTok and Facebook. And I have an Instagram now.